Hi, I'm Seb. Today I'm going to talk about noise cancellation. Um, Noise cancellation is usually split into two categories. There's passive noise cancellation and active noise cancellation. In passive noise cancellation, um, it is basically where you have material blocking out sound. Um, it can be split into the absorption and deflection of waves. In this diagram, this is a cross section of a earphone, and as you see here, it has the silicon tip has three cones. These cones help deflect the sound waves that are coming from outside, and um, this is a form of passive noise cancellation. Um, in this, the two on the left is what the previous diagram looks like in an actual image, and the foam one in the middle is also another form of passive noise cancellation. These foam tips can expand to form a tight fit with the ear canal, and the foam also works to absorb the energy of waves from the ambient noise as it comes in. Um, in the next diagram, it shows a cross-section of circumaural headphones, which are usually the best at passive noise cancellation. They're quite large and fit over the ears completely, making it hard for sound to interrupt with the isolated signal. The ear shell, as you can see, helps with wave deflection and deflects ambient noise. The foam in the middle helps with further absorption of the ambient noise, and the ear cushion forms a tight fit with the side of the head. These combined make for quite a good passive noise cancellation system. Regarding the uses of passive noise cancellation, as you can see, quite a lot is used in headphones. Also, they're used in sound insulation in houses and also in concert halls. The pros are that this method is quite cheap and it's also very easy to install. However, it's not as effective as active noise cancellation, which is what I'm going to talk about next. Active noise cancellation is noise cancellation that involves electronics. Firstly, as you see in this diagram, there's an input where the ambient noise is recorded by a microphone. The microphone then sends the signal to a computer chip that analyzes the signal and produces a signal that is exactly opposite to what the incoming signal is. So effectively it cancels out, and the listener hears no ambient noise. It's also used in cars where the engine noise is monitored and anti-signal is broadcasted to the passengers and the driver. This is very effective and makes driving a lot more bearable. Here is another diagram on how the active noise cancelling works. As you can see, the wavelength has been shifted so that the anti-noise is in exact antiphase with the ambient noise, and therefore it makes for a very small residual. The pros of active noise cancellation is that it is very effective, and usually it can block out most sounds, but it is also really expensive, and you rarely see it in headphones because it just costs a lot to fit into a small component. Thank you.